Hey Gilbert, Jesse here. I know you told me to look at your buddy's website and see what we can do, so I went ahead and did some research, and this is kind of where I'm at right now. Figured I'd show you rather than tell you, and you can forward this on to him as well so he can see it as well. But first and foremost, we got the website right here, and overall, it's really not a bad website at all. Somebody put some effort into it, you know. It's really not that bad at all. I kind of like it. Um, The biggest thing that pops out to me though is up here. We have this not secure thing right off the bat. Google's not going to like that because obviously if you're going to be asking people to contact you and put in some email or phone number or something like that, Google's going to see your website's not secure and they're not going to favor the website over somebody else's that's secure. So with that being said, that's a simple fix. Wherever this website was built, it's as simple as going into the SSL certificate and activating that. Pretty easy. And then that'll help your rankings quite a bit just right there. Uh, so when Google goes into trying to rank a website, they're going to look at three different things. First thing is going to be content. Second thing is going to be something called backlinks. And then we're going to get into citations after that. So first and foremost, we have content here. It's not a whole lot. So whoever put the website together, they designed it well, not exactly optimized, however. Um, If we go and all I did was do a quick little tile contractor Seattle search, found the first guy in the top spot. Uh, this is his website right here. So as you can see, his isn't secure either. But I'll go into why he's at the top in a minute. But as you can see here, he's got some content. Content helps. Um, as far as Google's concerned, content's king. I recommend right off the bat to have 1500 that gives you, or 1500 words that gives you a very solid foundation. And it's not, people have to go in there and try to work to beat it. I found another guy. This guy is third place, I think, as far as rankings in Google. Not a whole lot of content either, but his stuff is secure. And we got this guy, and I think he was on the second page, but as you can see, his isn't secured either. But so it finally loaded. So it's not secure. As you can tell, he doesn't have that much content either. So definitely adding on to the content here is going to help with your rankings quite a bit. It's already a good layout, so we just got to increase the content. Secondly, so I have this tool. It's called Hrefs, and it just gives me an insight on how the website's doing on the back end, you know. So I was telling you about backlinks earlier. So backlink is any type of link on another website that's pointing back to your website essentially. That's a backlink. All backlinks are not created equal. You got some spammy, and then you got some that are good. That's going to give you a lot of power, and then some that are just like, kind of like neutral. What we want to do is go after the ones that are strong and powerful, and that's going to really jump your rankings quite a bit. As you can see here, Diamond Tile Inc. as a domain or as the company is being found for these words, which is actually pretty good. The only downside is the positioning. So the position is where it is on Google. So as you can see, he's kind of far down. What we want to pay attention to is volume, how many times a word is being searched for a month, and how difficult it is to rank. And that's what's going to determine how we go about ranking it. So just for comparison sakes, I got Strictly Tile, the guys that were in this top spot right here. And this is why they're in the top rankings or in the top page of Google. So they have 138 backlinks, and that's what's giving their website power. But because of the content they have and these backlinks, they're being found for 448 keywords. And like I said, what we want to pay attention to is what words they're being found for. That's making them in the top position. So tile contractor Seattle, it's getting 40 searches a month. Not very hard to rank for, and they're sitting in the top spot. That they're going to get a lot of their business because people are going to search for tile contractors, you know. Um, as you can see, there's a bunch of keywords to be found for as far as tiling goes over there in Seattle. Um, Having the content with those backlinks on here is going to help this website rank too. But not being secure and this one not being secure, it's going to be pretty easy once you secure that one. So another thing we're going to go into is the citations. And a citation is going to be anything where your business name, address, and phone number is listed. That counts as one citation. So that can be anything from directories, kind of like Yelp or Home Advisor, stuff like that, or anything, anywhere on the internet where you put that information at, that counts as one directory. So what I like to do is I call it the copycat method. My tool allows me to see where all your competitors are having their links at. I go in, I find the best ones, and I essentially put yours with them. But I don't only stop there. I'd go for, even more, just to one up them and secure that top spot with the most authoritative content, backlinks, and citations possible. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna end the video. Hope you found this informative. Hope your buddies find it informative as well. But based off these keywords and stuff, it kind of looks like uh, some of these words are going to be very easy to rank for, while others, like this 32 and stuff, they're going to be harder. But people are searching for it, so opportunities there. Like I said, I hope you found this video informative. Um, Definitely get back to me, tell me what you think. And with that being said, hope you have a good day. See ya.